Maintaining clean aligners is crucial to prevent buildup of plaque, odors, and discoloration. Here's how to take care of them. Using a soft toothbrush. Gently brush both sides of your aligner under cold, running water. Avoid warm or hot water to ensure the aligner's shape remains intact. Don't use toothpaste. It can scratch your aligners, making them more susceptible to odors and stains. Aligner cleaning tablets. Dissolve a cleaning tablet in cold water, then let your aligners soak as per the instructions, typically for around 20 minutes. After soaking, give them a quick rinse with cold water. Using soap. If you decide to use soap, go for clear, unscented liquid soap. Colored soaps might stain, and fragrant ones can leave an unpleasant taste. Home recipes. While the internet is full of DIY solutions, it's best to stick to methods tested and approved by Eon Aligner. Here are a few more tips for a seamless aligner experience. Only clear beverages are aligner-friendly. Avoid hot or colored drinks when wearing your aligners. Always store your Eon aligners in their case when eating, drinking, or brushing. Remember to always wear your aligners for at least 22 hours a day to achieve the best results.